for you to watch sports, movies, TV shows, live TV. Better than any of the apps that you can find in the Amazon App Store? Follow along and I'll show you how. Or I have a short code for you and it's way quicker. 370178. And then we select go. First thing, we need to download one program through the Amazon App Store. So head over to the Find icon, pull down on your remote, and use the center button on our remote and type in Downloader. D-O-W. And Downloader should pop right up fairly quickly. As you can tell, I just did it with a few letters. You may need to type out Downloader, the whole word, it's one word. Highlight Downloader with your remote and select it. Brings up this orange icon, which is the downloader icon. We can select on it. And here, it's going to say for you, get it, download it, install it. So we'll just do that. Throws it into the queue, automatically installs it onto our Amazon device. While this is installing, please share this with a friend. I know everybody you know wants to get movies, TV shows, live TV, and sports all on their Amazon Fire TV stick. Now that downloader's downloaded, we don't open it up quite yet. Hit the home button, and here, this is where we're going to jailbreak downloader. Head all the way down to the settings icon at the very end of the little race car driver. And here, we're going to just pull down and highlight My Fire TV. Yours may be down here. It may say My Device. It's the same section. So click on it with your remote. And right now, I currently have developer options listed. And you may not, and don't worry, that's okay. I'm going to show you how to get developer options put on here. Just highlight About and click on it. And here we have Fire TV Stick. Yours may say 4K or the type of stick you have or cube. Just use your remote. Select it about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it says, no need, you're now a developer. Developer options is now enabled on your device. Before we back out, always remember, check for updates. I know there have been some updates that have kind of done unwanted things with some of these applications. But some apps won't work if it's not updated properly. So I always hear, why is this app not running? Why is it not opening? Why is it doing this or that? One of two things, the app, maybe there's an update for the app. Or maybe your Fire Stick's not updated properly. So we can always check for apps to make sure it's the latest and greatest. And here we're good to go. So we can back out. Now developer options is listed here. Highlight developer options, use your remote and turn it on, or use your remote to open it up. Here, ADB debugging, we can turn that on. Highlight unknown apps, select on it, and then find downloader and just click on. Now, if you have an older version, back here where it says install unknown apps, it may just be on and off right here. Enable it. And the newer versions, you have to go to the actual application and turn it on, and boom, we've just jailbroken our Fire Stick. It's not jailbreaking. Now, if you decide to jump this entire step, I'm going to turn this off to show you how we do this later on. The Fire Stick does it for us. This is why it's not jailbreaking. We turn on an option. It just enables us to be able to install applications that aren't through the App Store. So we can go back to the home screen. Now let's look for Downloader and find these awesome applications for our device. Head all the way to the 3 squares plus sign and click on it. This is your apps and games section of your Amazon Fire TV stick. And the last application that we download is down at the very bottom. So Downloader, we can highlight Downloader. We can use our 3-line button on our device, and it gives us an option menu on the right-hand side here. And we can, like, say, move Downloader to the front in our shortcuts menu. Now that these are in our shortcuts menu, when we're in the home screen, they're right here, right up front and center, so that we don't have to decide to search to try to figure out where they are anymore. So let's open up Downloader. So highlight Downloader, select it with your remote. Allow Downloader access media and files on our device, say allow. Here is a quick start guide, say okay. Downloader acts just like a web browser. So we can type in any URL. So for instance, the website we're going to go to, https://ledbytheunknown.com, or I have a short code for you and it's way quicker. So we can hit the center button on our remote once and then twice, and it brings up a keyboard to type in our short code. 370-178. And then we select go. Now this brings us to our Led by the Unknown's website, to the download section to find these awesome applications. There is a 5-second redirect. So great time for you guys to share this with a friend. Just saying. So once the redirect is done, the page is loaded. Use our 3-line button on our remote, and we can add this page to our favorites. And then we can save it as whatever you want to name it. And down on the right side here, we can click favorites, and it's right here. You just click it, automatically loads it up, no more redirect. Our remote acts like a mouse. So if you press up, our little red circle goes up, right, down, left, and center button's the select button. So we're going to head down. We're looking for movies and TV shows, live TV, sports, all that stuff, right? So we head down. Get yourself a good, reliable VPN. Get out your phone, scan this QR code, save yourself up to 80% off. It's like a cup of coffee a month. 30-day money-back guarantee. You can't go wrong with IPVanish. Total online privacy and freedom. Start now. 30-day money-back guarantee. Now let's find these movies and TV shows. So our first line. Probably the best app, the only app that you actually really want, because it does all of it all in one. Click on it. Brings us to the section to download it. Sorry, this has to be blurred out for my privacy reasons. We can come down. There is a video. Check it out. Click on the bubble. Click on the blue bubble. And it automatically starts downloading the application onto your device. Application gets downloaded, stages, and then remember when I turned Downloader off from being enabled for side loading, for jailbreaking? The Fire Stick will do it for us anyways. So we can just follow the prompts. Settings, click. Install unknown apps, click. Look for the application that we want to use, Downloader, click. On. Done. We can back out once, twice. It reopens Downloader and continues the installation process. So here we can click install. Down in the bottom right, install. And once the application is installed, down in the bottom right, done. We don't want to open the file yet. Click done, because we need to delete the installation file. So delete, confirm the delete. Now it's not wasting space on your device. So send us back to the download page. It does this the first time. That is the only time you need to enable Downloader, but unfortunately, if you didn't shortcut this and you don't remember what that passcode is, this video is over. You might as well go home. You're not going to get any of these cool apps now. Sorry. Ha. All right. Click OK, type in 370-178, come down, hit go. It does have the 5-second redirect. Now please share this, or now please Use the 3-line button on our remote. Once it loads though, you gotta wait till it to load. Redirect's done, loads. 3-line button on our remote. Add current page to favorites, save it. Now you don't have to worry about this code anymore. Okay, we got one app done. There's so many apps to choose from, guys. An oldie, but a goodie. Still working fabulous. Click on it, header down. Highlight the blue button. It installs the application onto our device. Does the install part, hit the fall, down the bottom right, install. Once it's installed, we're going to hit done. So highlight done, click done. Delete the installation file, confirm the delete. Back out to the download section. So we can download like the stream, or we come down to live TV. We got net. Same thing, header down to the blue button. Here, this is Amazon device or Android devices. They're different applications, just to let you know. Super small application to download. Down on the bottom right, we're going to hit install. Let the application install. Done. Highlight done. Delete the installation file. I'm assuming you catch my drift. Delete, confirm. Now we back out. What's another one? So we got some movies, we got TV shows, we got live TV, stream. This one's great. It's got a lot of content, just like the other one. Same thing, head down, click on the blue button, and installs it right to our device. Down the bottom right, install. And slide down on your remote, hit done. Delete the installation file. I get it, you know, catch my drift, yes. So these are the applications I put on my device, plus one extra one. I go down a little bit further to the sports apps. Make sure I get the one that's on fire. Let's header down and check out the video, guys. Hey my friend, are you trying to figure out what Sports Fire is all about? Check out this. If you're interested in trying to figure out how to download onto your... Follow that video and you'll enjoy it. So find the blue button, select it. Guys, there is always a backup. If one's not working, try the backup. Hit install. Hit done. Delete the installation file. So we got movies and TV shows. We got sports. We got live TV. Multiple apps for each of them. Well, let's go to the home screen. Where did these applications go? They went over to the three squares plus sign right there. And here they are. Here, the last one we downloaded on fire. Highlight it with the remote, push the 3-line button, move to the front. We can do the same with the stream. Move to the front. We can do the same with live. 3-line button, move to the front. We can do the same with HD. 3-line button, move to the front. And yes, we can do the same thing with flicks. 3-line button, move to the front. So when we go push the home button on our remote, these awesome apps are up front and center for your enjoyment. Super quick shortcuts. Can't get any easier than this, can it? 5-10 minutes and your Fire Stick is now loaded with awesome applications that you can't find in the App Store for you to watch sports, movies, TV shows, live TV. All on your Amazon Fire TV Stick. It's ready, it's set. Push play. Enjoy. Happy streaming. Peace.